Hello everyone, my name is Parina and I'm the mentor for foundation class. So I'll be sharing a few things that we have been doing for our children and what is our plan of action in the future. So since March till I think the first week of the June, yes, we have been sending some activities for the children thrice a week, that is Monday, Friday and Wednesday, for them to complete. These activities were based on whatever they'd learned last year for the subjects like English, math, or there were some kinds of meditations that the children could practice at home. Other than that, we've been in contact with most of our children and trying to understand what they are feeling, what is their situations at home, talking to their parents, being there for them whenever they needed us. As mentors, we've been trying to upgrade ourselves, read different books related to different methods of teaching like scaffolding, books on meditation, mindfulness, other teaching methods, various articles that may be available online, and attending webinars that can be helpful for us to continue our teaching or our classes during the lockdown period. Apart from that, there are some of the apps that we've been trying to look at for different stories or different topics that have to be covered in class. Other than that, we've also been gearing up for our new year and working on our curriculum. Now, with the Zoom classes that we'll be taking, they will be mostly thrice a week. So, 2 days of the week will be Zoom class with the children, and one day, that is mostly the Friday of the week, will be an assignment day where the assignments will be given to the children and they will be reviewed on Monday. So, this time has been a very crucial time and very instrumental for us to learn out different things, try out alternative ways. So we are all very excited, including the children, to start our classes and at least look at each other face to face and get back to our classrooms, even if they are going to be virtual in nature.